nothing, sir. So if we can't work, my son is here, sir, and he does a little work now and then, sir, and he helped me, sir. Don't you think I have 2 children, but I've never asked Ladeshia for anything? Ask her, sir. So please don't take sides, sir. You have so
I'm not. Listen what I want to say.
I am blind, sir. Sir, I am blind. Even my niece tell you that. I got a big machine. When she bring the baby to me, I said, give me. She said, what you want? I said, give me a machine so I can wash the baby clothes.
Yeah,
Look at this.
But Princess,
This is big.
I know you're intelligent, but I
big.
want to hear me out. Princess, I know you're intelligent because you go good blind school. And
Yes, Mr. Sir, but this machine is big, sir. You have to hear me out because remember, me blind. So if she give me her baby and she earn something, she not supposed to can pay me if it do keep
But
the baby
if you are blind and listen, you are blind and you're emphasized when you're blind, right? And you're blind and your daughter love you so much to take care of the grandpenny and pay you on top of that and you're blind.
Sir, no, sir. It's not love, sir. She said me can play my voice note them. She said she don't appreciate me because I wasn't the one who threw down material at her gate. Me have the voice note them right here.
Yeah, but if you and her have a rough time when she have to go to school, you put her out, this, that,
sir, I did not put her out, sir. My niece came up here and she can come back and tell us that my name put out there. I was at Jubilee.
But Princess, you have to give me, you have to let me say something now. Princess, you have to respect you and we are work, so you have to let me say this now. Princess, your present is a destruction to your daughter's career based on how you come, my darling. I would advise you that look into yourself and say if you really love your daughter and you really love your grandkids, you just take away yourself and make it happen.
Sir, I am an independent woman. I'm not gonna make you sit down and tell me say my present is a destruction. You know why? Because you cannot have people telling lie on their mother. You can't do that, sir. How many times I loved and forgive that child?
But what you do, you let the girl say she don't do nothing for you. The girl she don't do anything rather than you be there as a mother at the time when she younger and put food in the house. No mother love, no care. You put all of the love to the brother. You wasn't there for her. There was no love.
But sir, there is no proof except for my niece. I don't know if it's because of my sister's birthday yesterday and I didn't.
But when you say what no proof of, what you mean?
Sir, no proof about that. Me love me little girl and me carry her go salvation and me school for the blind and go pan bus. Go sing and beg.
Okay, let me say something to you. 2019 when I meet her, she was at her father's at the woman at Portmore and she was lonely. But me finish that, no? She was.
Sir, you must listen to me and me have this story, sir. 2019 when you meet her, she tell CDA that she don't want to see me because remember I know me not go give her no man. But her father said
but 2019 when me meet her, she have her baby already. She want privacy.
From 13 year 14, Mr. T. Mr. T at 14. Mother love them people then I put them out to no man. So you
alright, let me say something. In 2019 when I meet her, you wasn't around, you wasn't doing anything. She had done everything on her own. I was the first person to assist her, put her in a somewhere.
I was around, but you did not interview me. The Sunday she eat from me. The Sunday she eat 2 mutton and rice and peas and go out. Me just tell you the story and you backfire. Me just tell you the story. She left me yard. And Mr. Jubilee and signed the paper, Mr. Artificial, she have the baby, I was around. And me do everything. And me go down at Jubilee, go search my name. And me sit down when they do the cesarean.
Yeah, but my question is, why you come here? Why? No, you
never come here. Yeah, make it sunshine for a job. Me never come here, Mr. Me never come. Me never call you.
You make it seem like say a sunshine, they mix you up and turn it in a mix up. You make it seem like a fool you are going to help.
Sir, a help me did want. Me never go about her. Them uncle ask me if me talk to her and me said yes, cause me keep the baby. But she never want me carry the baby go society for the blind like me used to carry her. She never see, she said me not fi carry them go never knows like me used to carry her. So me say you can't, they use me. I don't want the people them to know see me they care for your baby them.
But the thing is your business, your daughter make the money, you should have a problem with that. You know me that you're all woman, you have to serve God, you have to leave this.
And that's why she must carry her business